Hello everyone, welcome back to Light Trading with Golden Girl today. Hi Jane, hi Khalid. Wow, you're so on time today. Thank you so much. So as you can see that after a steady bullish, the bullish engulfing candle last FOMC conference last Friday, right? This is a very strong bullish candle. And now the market opened a gap down immediately on the early Asian session today, and sadly it's continued moving sideways up to now when we have streamed together. But anyway, this time is the resting of the market, and we need to be set our guard as the highest level, because it's easily getting stop loss sweep. This is the things that we do not want anyway, right? No one wants to be like that. So as you can see that at the end of today's Asian session until now, the market range is just around 33.60 to 33.71. The price range is just around $11. So this is a very narrow range, and waiting for any explosion in today's New York session. Hi Mike, hi Tyler. Okay, so now we're waiting for it's coming back to the entry zone 65 and 67 to set up the buy scalping signal here. This is the point, very sensitive of the market, because it's getting the reaction at the trend line that I draw in a 1 hour chart. And so we need to wait for the safe entry zone. Okay, we need to wait and be patient for this time. Do not open your trading chart and enter any random trade at the moment. So it can be reversed down, heading down, and our better safe entry zone will be 65 to 66. And stop loss level will be set below 60. Okay, so today we have the current signal on the chart. It will look to fill the gap from Friday. It could be happened, but we do not know where is it gonna be happened, right? So that is the reason why I always advise you to set the stop loss order whenever we trade. Okay, for any layers we decide to trade on the trading platform, you always need to set the stop loss order. And especially when you jump to the New York session, it's easily to be in the high volatility time. That's the most of the time there's a lot of traders, including sharks and big players as well. And you can see that it's like the middle of the mountain. In the middle of the mountain, so it can be collapsed anytime, right? So we need to protect our trading capital and also our profits as well. And let me check that today calendar. Alright, it's only have orange news, and today there's not too much important news at all. It's just on Thursday and Friday. So the market is more quiet. It's more quiet than last week. So this is a very impressive candle, bullish candle from FOMC conference about the dovish result. Powell is getting more approval for the dovish team. The dovish team. So that is the reason why the traders and a lot of investors that put their belief, their trust in the gold have an asset. Have an asset like gold. And this candle, yeah, my VIP members also gain more than 300 pips. Okay, so you can see the summary table that I show you on the chart and on the Telegram channel. Yeah, within just a few minutes that I help my VIP members gaining more than to 300 pips. Yeah, we set up the buy signal at the entry zone 22 to 21 last Friday, so it's nearly at the bottom, right? The beautiful setup, beautiful position to hold for last Friday. And I still remember that when I start streaming last Friday, the market just kept on moving sideways. Yeah, and in my stream, the signal that I provide to you that just only have the short take profit. Yeah, just around 25 to 30 profit. And after that, when news release relating to the interest rate cut, yeah. So we had another signal that at the entry zone, buy signal at the entry zone 21 to 22. Yeah, nearly at the bottom of this candle. And yeah, just around 15 to 20 minutes, right? And the result is clearly to be proven, right? So if you want to trade news with me and getting reliable signals, welcome to the VIP signal group of the Golden Girl. Maybe because UK banks are closed. Yeah, some days that the UK banks or any country's bank, general bank closed, is gonna be the shark hunting. Yeah, and easily happen the liquidity hunting, and the market is also easily manipulated. Yeah, it's easily manipulated because they're not big players on the market anymore. So only individual traders, right? So it's easily manipulated by other factors like sharks, how to say, who have the big capital in the market. So for the bank holiday, especially in the US, we also pay our attention and we need to trade carefully as well. Yeah, this is when the market easiest to be manipulated. Okay, so this is my reminder for you to be aware of the market all the time, especially on the day that called bank holiday. Okay, and relating to the reason for the buy scalping signal that I set up last Friday. Okay, this is where I set up. This is first based on the support level. You can see that this is also reliable support level that we consider in the 1 hour chart. Okay, and the next factor, you can see that trading volume is increasing steadily here. If you want to see the volume trade, you can choose this. Oh, where is it? It's not a volume profile. Oh. Okay, so you can also use the volume profile in tools here. Let me check where is it located. Oh, it's gonna be taking me sometimes to looking for that tool on the trading view. Yeah, sometimes It's very complicated to looking for it. Alright, so by using the volume profile tools that you click to this, this symbol here, fixed range volume profile, and you choose the starting point, then you connecting to the lowest point, and you realize that this price level 33.21 is the lowest trading volume here, right? You can see the shorted horizontal bar here, and that is when you know that less sellers, it was less seller at this level, and we see that the market starting to have the buyers supporting here. The buyers getting dominating the market as the level after that, and also the market open a gap up as well. You can see that the starting point, the open price of the next candle is higher than the lowest point of the previous candle, and previous bearish candle also have the below shadow. So this indicates for the buyers already jump in the game and getting control of the market. And this is when the news relating to FOMC released that Powell supporting for the Dovish, and he tend to decrease the interest rate. So that's action. Okay, compare with the confluence with the previous condition, like the shadow of the previous candle, and the volume is very little here. So that is the reason why I set up the buy signal as this area. Okay, so it's kind of dangerous, but if you already have experience for your trading journey and you have enough confidence, right? You have sense with the market enough, and the factor of the news, that's supportive for the buyers, that you definitely have more clue to enter the signal. Okay, and the most important factor is still the decision of Jerome Powell, Fed Chair Powell's relating to the interest rate cut. Okay. And the detailed explanation about the tech analysis by Novometric method that I used to use it to set up any scalping signal will be posted in my VIP members signal group. VIP signal group. And if you want to have the detailed explanation and also have the qualified scalping signal, you can refer my community on Telegram as well. And besides that, my community, public communities, with having more than 26,000 participants already. Every day I will publish my gold trading plan and other news relating to the forex market. Not only gold market, but also other currency pair, and especially for the BTC analysis as well. So I believe that you will have kind of enough information for you to trade. To trade every day. And at weekend, especially on Sunday, I usually prepare a weekly trading plan as well. So that is the reason why you can have yourself a reference analysis, to have your to provide your opinion as well. Yeah, compare with your idea as well. What about BTC analysis? Yeah, today I haven't prepared for it. I will post it in today New York session. Okay, because BTC is kind of different from gold, and most of my time is just focused on gold and other currency pair markets. Yeah, so I will publish it, the detailed analysis, after my stream today. And later I will show you the resistance and support level we need to pay attention to as well. Alright. Daniel, what did you just said? The Nightbot delete your comment already. Starting moving sideways at the trend line level. Yeah, so we need to wait for our entry zone active. Okay, let's see in the smaller time frame to see what is going on. Yeah, the market just keep on forming a very small candle. Yeah, very small candle, but even in green, but the market is still how to say, confused. Yeah, and struggling by the sellers and buyers. Yeah, it's starting forming a doji, a balanced doji at this trend line. So it's gonna take some time for the market think. Yeah, it need to think before give the decision to choose which size the market big players will follow. Alright, so every day in the early Asian session, the market always open a gap. And today is open a gap down around just 1 price. Yeah, 1 price decrease. And after that you can see that the below above shadow of this candle was fill the gap down already. Yeah. So it's easily for the market fill to the gap whenever it's just open, and this is just a very small gap, so the market quickly fill it. Yeah, the market quickly fill it already. So it's just about the time that the market just opens the sideways. Okay, so my dear friends, I just have a quick question for you. That are you already clear about how to calculate the profit and loss if you trade gold? Yeah, because sometimes that I receive a question relating to the basic knowledge. They don't know what is pips and how many price is relative equal to 1 pips, or one price equal to how many pips. They do not know. So have you clear about this already? Haven't you clear about this information already? Other definition relating to loss, spread, or leverage, or margin call. So okay, come on, interact with me a bit. So let me consider to organize the upcoming sharing times. Yeah, sharing live stream relating to the basic knowledge already. Where are you, my friends? Yeah, currently we have around 40 friends, and I'm very happy that you can interact with me on my stream today. Okay, so if you want to join in the course, this live stream time that I will share about the basic knowledge about the market, let's comment yes, so that I will arrange my time and share for you the very useful information, especially for the new traders, for the beginners. Hi, Neil. Okay, I see your hand. Yeah, I see your hand now. And I think you're quite quiet because our signal wasn't active, right? So it's only crowded when our scalping signal active and we trade real time together, isn't it? Yeah, it is. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, may I know that how long have you been in this trading journey, my friend? No. Yeah, because it's very important. It's very important for you to understand clearly. Yeah, for this basic knowledge. Hi, MM. Have a good day. Have a good day to you. Okay, so now it's getting reversed. Yeah, it's forming a bullish candle, the bearish candle at the moment from the level of trend line. Yeah, so we will wait to hit our entry zone. Okay. All right. Yeah. So I believe that you already gained the profits with me for all the times. Hi, Asakun. Thank you so much for joining in my stream today. Yeah. Have a good day to all of you. So far, we are having the current buy signal at the entry zone 65 to 66. Okay. So anyone still have the sell signal? Yeah, sell signal. Just wait till close at the entry zone. Okay, so that signal will be equal. Yeah, no loss at all. And now I still believe in the bearish reaction of the below trend line, above trend line, because now the markets haven't followed the supported by the buyers. Yeah. And below here we have EMA 34. So that is where our signal set up. Okay, just around 6 pips left that it will hit our entry zone. Alright, so we will set the yeah, it's actually not to no need to set the limit order because we are near to our entry zone. Okay, and don't be FOMO anytime, and if you really want to enter this entry zone, just consider to enter small lot. Yeah, for the first entry zone. Because it's already 4 pips left to hit our correct entry zone. Yeah. Which session could you recommend for beginners? It's also depends to your country, and if you want to trade slowly and slowly, yeah, you can try Asian session, yeah, or even London session, because you can see that in the London session, at the end of Asian and until now, the market is just moving sideways, and the range is just around 11 price. Yeah, 11 price. So it's kind of narrowed for today market. Okay, so in the New York session, the price is kind of quickly. Yeah, the speed is very quick, and it's very important for you to set the stop loss order. And you do not. Yeah, my advice for you is you shouldn't enter too much layers. Okay, do not enter too much layers, because it's very very risky for your capital if you cannot manage all the layers well, right? Every layers need to be set the stop loss level. Okay, so just starting with the small lot. And if you're busy with your work, you can set a limit order with clear stop loss and take profits level. And make sure the risk reward ratio is 1/1, which means your stop loss level around 50 pips. So on. So do your take profits level. Okay, and just set it and just let the market run. Alright, so now we have 2 entry zone already. Yeah, it's heading back. Yeah, we're at our entry zone now. So yeah, you can enter the trade. Yeah, our signal is active already. And remember to set a stop loss all the times and do not be FOMO. Not to be FOMO all the time. And the lesson for you is just enter enough entry zone so that we're done. Okay. And actually for the beginners, that if you want to practice, you can start with micro lot anyway, because you need to get used to the speed of the market movement. Yeah, it's just keep on moving up and down, from red to blue, blue to red, and opposite. It's happen all the time. So and one thing that the market always go against to our analysis before it follows. Okay, so remember this was, so do not enter a trade with a big trading volume, even though your broker allow you have high leverage, but do not use it at all. Yeah, to be honest, do not enter a trade with big volume, even though that your broker allows you to do it, because every entry has its zone. Okay, its zone. So we need to be careful, with the trap, leverage trap. And the last thing, that be disciplined and don't be greedy. Yeah, not to be greedy when you join this market anyway. Okay, so I believe that we have enough to entry zone at the moment, and hang on tight, set your stop loss, and just wait for the market run. Come on, blow it up. Okay, when the price heading up, you can close bad position like 66 and hold for the good positions like around 65 only. Okay, so price is heading up to the 66 level again, so you can consider close the bad positions. So this action will help you less pressure when you trade. Yeah, help your psychology will be more relaxed, and your trading account will be easier. Yeah, less pressure anyway. All right. Yeah, so that is the very familiar structure. Yeah, formula for you. If you enter enough to entry zones, and when price follow your direction, follow your analysis, close the bad position. Okay, and now it's nearly 15 pips profit is running. Okay, so anyone in the trade, let me know. Comment yes. Let's comment yes. So let me know that you're already in this trade. And I hope that our chat box will be more Noisy. Yeah, will be noisier than before. Anyone in? Hello, no one with me for this level. So next time I will set up the trading platform on my computer to let you know that I already jumped in this game. Yeah, so now I cannot set up this, so yeah, it's a bit difficult for me. Okay, so next time I will ask my my team to help me set up that performance. Yeah. Okay, that's good, and I hope you already closed the bad position and hold the entry zone 65 already. Okay, hi Rohan, hi Jane. Yeah, I'm very happy to know it, and remember to set the stop loss order on the time. All right. Mistakenly close on both position, good and bad. Oh dear, so you need to wait for the next opportunity. Okay, so don't be FOMO for this entry zone because it's not safe for you at all. Okay, so it's heading up, 15 pips is running, 15 pips profit is running. So next time you need to be how to say, do not freak out. Yeah, everything must be relaxed. Okay, so this time the market is not so steady. Yeah, it's not too much steady for you to handle the trade. All right, yeah, congratulations everyone for our 20 pips first for today's stream. Okay, touch wood for today's signal. Yeah. All right. Yeah, you have only one position. Okay, so that's fine for you. You can hold the trade. Remember to set the stop loss order, so that's it perfectly for you to trade. Yeah, to practice, especially you are beginners to join in the markets recently. And the running pace will be calculated based on the lowest entry zone that we can in. Yeah. And one more thing, that's based on the broker you're using, so there will be spread. Yeah, will be spread different from the trading view price and your trading volume, trading platform price. Alright, we have 25 pips everyone. And my advice for you is our first 30 pips profit will be close a part of the trade and hold the rest to the further taking profit. So this time, this candle, the next candle will break out from the current trend line. Absolutely. Yeah. We hope for this. Yeah, right? We hope the market will support for our analysis, right? Alright, so let me see in a bigger time frame what is going on. How many positions we need to open? It also first it also depends to your account. Just follow 1 to 2% rule. Okay, 1 to 2% rule relating to manage risk per trade. And second, I supply the bright zone with chill level 65 and 66. So if you are beginners, you can observe the chart and wait for the exact entry zone, and it should be have the distance between two entry zone at least 10 pips. Okay, the distance between two entry zones, at least 10 pips. And whenever we have real-time trading together, you should spend your time to observe the chart with me. Yeah, because not every time I can organize the live stream to have the real-time trading period with you, right? Hi, Ekachai. Thank you so much for your compliment. Yeah, do you have a profit from this signal as well? Yeah, I hope you have the same. So you can see that price is getting more and more narrowed, and here let's see that how is it the trading volume as this area. Okay, so this level we have the highest trading volume. Yeah, struggling level between the buyers and sellers, and it's exactly the same where's the level of the trend line. Okay, so we will wait for this 15-minute candle close and yeah, observe the market's reaction to have the next decision. Okay. Yeah, and this is not easy, right? Trading is not easy at all. We need to prepare not only money, yeah, right, but also the trading knowledge. And it's like we walk up, we climb to the stairs, yeah, the stairs, and it needs step by step, right? So I will help you because recently I received a lot of questions, especially from beginners, relating to the basic knowledge from this market. And I realized that this is very important for you to understand everything clearly in the beginnings. Yeah, to help you know what is the most basic concept of the market and have a clear picture. It's not a pink picture anyway. Yeah, the dream becoming a billionaire after a few trades is very rarely, yeah, to be honest, very rarely. Anyone getting successful in this market, they must be disciplined. Yeah, that is the key word for you to getting to increase your winning rate in this market is discipline. And next, patience. Okay, patience. So and we can control our winning rate is more than losing rate. Is that is we gain a victory with the market. We get battle the market. Okay, so I will arrange my time. Yeah, I will arrange my time to organize the lessons. Okay, the time I share the experience and also the knowledge for you on YouTube. Yeah, on YouTube, and of course it will be free. It will be free for everyone, and remember to arrange your time to join in. And that is my happiness. Yeah, I'm very happy to receive your support every day to help my channel on YouTube developing every day. Re-enter the trade. You need to re-enter the trade. Okay, so if you want to re-enter the trade, you can lower your trading volume. Yeah, you can do it, but you need to lower your trading volume because it's already the second round. Yeah, and for my point of view, it's not safe, yeah, for you to re-enter. So that is the reason why I advise you to lower your trading volume. And next time, don't be hurry. Okay, don't be hurry because it's not always happen like this, and sometimes you will miss. Yeah, you will miss for the victory opportunity. Yeah, like last FOMC news trading. Yeah, my team gaining more than 300 pips from just one signal. Yeah, buy at the entry zone 21 to 24. Yeah, it's nearly the bottom of that candle. based on the technical analysis, confluence with fundamental analysis relating to interest rate. Yeah, interest rate cuts. Okay, so don't be hurry, my friend. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, so oh, this is a very basic question. Okay, so I will answer. I would like to answer all of you in the next session that I can arrange to share with you about the basic experience that you need to know. Okay, so that time I will inform in my channel, on my channel on Telegram, and everything will be answered and provide clearly for you. And my advice for you is just follow a risk-reward ratio and risk management lesson. Yeah, follow the 1 to 2% risk rule, and that is very helpful. It's very helpful for you to protect your trading capital. Yeah, so one more time that the market is getting rejected by the buyers from this trend line levels. Oh, Pralat of my Nightbot is just deleted your comment. Yeah, it's your comment getting deleted already, so I cannot read it. Everything seems freezing. Yeah, it seems frozen this time. So I will change into the smaller time frame, like 5 minutes, to see what is going on at the moment. Okay, so it's nearly freeze. And price is getting stuck between trend line and EMA. Yeah, this is the crossover between EMA 34 and 89. So the price range is getting more and more narrowed, waiting for explosion in today's New York session, right? So my friend, have you re-entered last time? Recently, have you re-entered for this trade again? Yeah, if yes, your current signal is getting profits anyway. Okay, so everything is getting narrowed, and now we need to be patient to observe the chart. So this is my task every day. Yeah, sometimes it's very boring, right? Especially when the market's moving sideways. It cannot it cannot provide us the good positions at all, right? We cannot identify the specific trend, the specific side that the big players decided to follow. And higher highs and higher lows, highs and lows are forming irregularly, right? It's just stuck in the price range, very narrowed. And you can see that the body of the candle is getting smaller, more and more thinner. It's getting thinner and thinner. So this is the determination of the market is rejected. Yeah, the buying determination is rejected. And no worries that below we still have EMA 34 and 89. So they are acting like the mobile support zone. Yeah. Yeah, okay, so no problem, Pralat, no problem. Yeah, so if you have profits, that is my happiness. Okay, so nearly 50 friends is watching the stream today, and yeah, I think that we'll wait for the explosion of the market, right? Yeah, you know that it's stuck at the struggle area of the market, so no worries about it. Yeah, and you can getting your stop loss level higher. Yeah, move from minus 50 pips to the minus 30 pips, or set at entry zone. Yeah, set break even to protect your capital as well. It's very quiet, actually. Okay, so we can see in the big time frame. We can see in the big time frame, and yeah, actually that the market always just be noisy last Friday and from last Wednesday as well. Yeah, these days there was new release, right? News release. And previously the market just moving sideways and gradually under the selling pressure. So let me show you how to set up the market trend. Identify the market trend. Sometimes I feel I see it. Okay, regression trend. Yeah, regression trend. Connect from the highest point to the lowest point. Okay, so it's automatically draw your above trend line and below trend line. So this is the market trend last week. And this candle easily filled the below gap. Yeah, fair value gap here. So yeah, like I just said, it's like we are in the middle of the mountain, right? We're in the middle of the mountain, and it's easily collapse any time. Easily collapse any time. And the 68 level will be the special point that at the end of today London session it cannot break out, so we will consider for another direction. Okay, so our analysis is always getting flexible, depends to the market movement. Okay. Now is not the time. Yeah, now is not the time anymore, because in a smaller time frame you can see that the market is keep on rejecting the buyers. Yeah, keep on rejecting the buyers. So anyone still hold the trade, just set the stop loss and take profit, but just calculate for the small take profit anyway. Yeah, it cannot break out from the current trend line strongly. Yeah, and the buyers keep on getting rejection from the market all the time. And actually that is very difficult for us to trade in the sideways market. Yeah, it cannot have the clearly shape, yeah, clearly pattern or trend. So you can say that it just stuck in this range anyway, right? and liquidity sweep happening all the time. So this day, to protect your capital, you can lower your trading volume. Yeah, that is another advice from me for you, to help you less getting pressure. And actually at this time we cannot give our expectation for very high level. Yeah, because we're trading in the sideways period. And anyone trading in the style swing trading or intraday, you need to consider. Yeah, you need to consider to change your strategy, because that sometimes it's not capitalize the profit as good as scalpers. Yeah. Swing trading is only good when the markets keep on follow the specific trend. Yeah, that's what I mean. Okay, so now I do not encourage you to re-enter once again. Okay, remember this. Okay, so now it's heading back. I need to lock this. Still move it. Need to move it near to the candle area. Alright. Yeah, so anyone setting the break even, this signal already closed, right? It's coming back to the entry zone once again. So this time that it break our entry zone, yeah, it will heading to the below level and fill for this fair value gap as well. You can see that there's still distance, yeah, from the previous candle forming. Okay, so let's check for this current signal. $10 left that this candle will close, and let's see for this shape. Okay, so my advice for you is just close this trade and wait for the new setup. Okay, because yeah, as we can see that the market reject for the support of the buyers here. Okay, and we still have a few minutes left, and I will share with you a bit analysis relating to BTC. And after my stream end, I will publish the analysis relating to BTC on my channel, Telegram channel. Okay, so in the 1 hour chart, so you can see that the levels that I already marked for you last week already broken. Yeah, broken down, right? It's already broken down. So the next level, yeah, will be 110k. 110k will be the significant level. And now it's at the intersection. Okay, it's in the intersection. If BTC cannot hold, cannot getting the supported by the buyers from 110k, it will heading to the deeper level, the deeper level below here, 18k. Okay, so we need to observe for this time, and if this candle, 1 hour candle, is another red candle, it's very dangerous. And it seems like the investor moving their money flow from BTC to gold, right? From BTC to gold, because it's getting a lot of support level, supported by the buyers for gold last Friday, and now, you can say that the candle, the chart of BTC is getting broken down, and now all the candles lie down on these 3 EMA. Okay. Right, so that is the reason why I mark for you the significant level we need to observe. 110, 110k. Okay, 110k. And this is another floor, another level of BTC that traders are expecting at the moment. Based on the below support level. Okay, so let me change into blue. So let you distinguish between the support and resistance. Okay. Okay, so now you can see that this is a very strong, powerful bearish engulfing candle so far. And BTC is really under a lot of selling pressure at the moment. So we need to wait for the next candle, how is it forming, and having the decision in detail. And on my stream today, and so on Telegram community, I just provide to you the significant level that we need to observe and take note. Okay, and for the detailed signal, you can send me a direct message so that I can instruct it to you. And anyway, that is still below the EMA, so the market, BTC market is still under a lot of selling pressure at the moment. And this is the cover engulfing candle, right? The body of this candle cover this previous bullish candle. So this is the one of the reversal, bullish reversal signal for you. Another signal, another knowledge that I supply for you today. And if the level 110k breakdown, has broken down to a lower level, the market is in chaos. There's a lot of investors will be in chaos and they're crazily sell. So this action will get the market in the more terrible situation. Okay. Oh dear, sorry that my time is over now, and now I need to getting back to my VIP signal group. And next time, I hope you can join my stream so early in the beginning, and I can help you to answer this question. Okay. Yeah, the market is just moving sideways at our entry zone. Okay. So yeah, once again, thank you so much for joining my stream today, and together we have a small gift, right? Even though it's not big, because the market is just moving sideways at the end of London session. So I think that we need to be pay our attention, yeah, let our guard up at the highest level in today's New York session. Okay, because the range is getting more and more narrow. The market swing is going to be explosion today New York session. Okay, so if you want to have the follow with the reliable signal, welcome to my VIP signal group. Yeah, thank you so much for joining in my stream today. Have a good time. See you.